Hey there. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're drowning in a sea of bills and subscriptions? Well, you're not alone. And that's where tools like Rocket Money come into play. But here's the burning question. Does Rocket Money work outside of the US? Let's dive in and find out. Hook, a personal anecdote. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me share a quick story. A few months ago, I was feeling really stressed about my finances. I had subscriptions I didn't even remember signing up for, and my bills were out of control. I'd heard about Rocket Money and thought it might be a lifesaver, but when I tried to sign up, I realized it was only available in the US. Cue the disappointment. The problem: geographic limitations. So, why is Rocket Money limited to the US? Well, it's mostly due to the nature of the service. Rocket Money specializes in helping users cancel unwanted subscriptions, negotiate bills, and track their spending. To do this effectively, it needs to have access to a wide range of US-based financial institutions and services. Exploring alternatives: global personal finance apps. But don't worry, there's hope. While Rocket Money might not be an option for those outside the US, there are plenty of other fantastic personal finance apps that can help you manage your money. Let's take a look at a few popular ones. Mint, a well-known app that offers budgeting, bill tracking, and investment advice. NAB stands for You Need a Budget and focuses on a zero-based budgeting method. Pocket Guard, a simple app that helps you track your spending and set savings goals. Money Guru, a UK-based app that offers budgeting, debt management, and investment advice. Tips for managing finances globally. Even without a specific app like Rocket Money, there are still steps you can take to manage your finances effectively. Track your spending. Use a spreadsheet or a simple app to keep track of your income and expenses. Set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on different categories. Cancel unwanted subscriptions. Review your subscriptions regularly and cancel any that you're no longer using. Negotiate bills. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your service providers for better rates. Consider a financial advisor. If you're struggling to manage your finances on your own, consider consulting with a financial advisor. Conclusion. While Rocket Money might not be the solution for everyone, there are plenty of other great options available, especially for those outside the US. By following these tips and exploring the various personal finance apps out there, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. End. So, there you have it. Does Rocket Money work outside of the US? Unfortunately, not at the moment. But don't let that discourage you. There are plenty of other fantastic tools and strategies to help you manage your money effectively. With a little effort and the right approach, you can achieve financial freedom no matter where you live. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.